Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK7 and I'm going to show you how to adjust the quantity of the comfort blinks of your indicators if you are using the convenient indicator feature. So when I tap on the left stalk like this, I have 3 blinks, which is great for changing lanes or getting out from roundabouts, and by default it blinks 3 times. If it doesn't blink for you, you can check in the car setup lights section if the convenience turn signal feature is on, and we are going to try to adjust it the quantity from 3 maybe to 4. So over here I have my phone with OBDeleven already connected to the car. We are going to the modules list. We are looking for module 09, which is Central Electrics, and over here we are going to look for adaptation channel related to the turn signal feature. So let's go to adaptation and let's use the search bar to look for the turn signal control, and over here we will have Komfortblinken Blinkzyklen. Yeah, okay, and it's set to 3. Let's enter new value 4, slide to right. It should ask us about the security access code. Let's select the first one, 31347, enter, and the new adaptation was stored. And right now we can disconnect from the car, and I believe it will not work just yet. Let's check. 2, 3. It blinks still the old value of 3. We need to go over here to car, setup, scroll all the way down to factory settings, and reset individual settings for light over here. And remember that your light settings will be set to default, so you will have to check them if there's something that you need to adjust. So let's go back to lights over here, and we have this on, switch on time. I want it to be late, disabled, okay. Brightness, front low, door high, footwell half, coming, leaving home. Okay, so right now, if I'm correct, we should have 4 blinks. Let's check it. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it worked. You can adjust it, I believe, from values of 2 to maximum 5 blinks. And that's pretty much it. In the description below this video you will find detailed instruction. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and see you soon in future ones. Bye.